Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove an eBay bid. Bidded on the wrong item by accident? Don't worry, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to cancel or retract a bid on eBay step by step, and I will explain when it's allowed. Now the first step is to go to the bid retraction page, and to do that, just visit ebay.com and click the webs on the website. And make sure you're logged in using your account's credentials. Once you're logged in, click on My eBay on the left, so it shows the drop-down menu. And from this drop-down menu, go to Bids and Offers. Now this page shows you all the bids and offers you got. Here you're gonna see them. As you can see here, I'm not bidding on any item, but if you did, it will be displayed right here in the list. Now after that, the second step is to choose the item you want to retract. You'll see a list of recent bids. Click on the correct item right here. After you click on the right item, select a reason for retraction. You can only retract a bid if you made a mistake in the bid amount, or the seller changed the listing, or you can't contact the seller. Once one of these reasons is the reason you want to retract the bid, click on it, and the fourth and final step is to confirm and submit. Click on retract bid and eBay will remove it from the auction. And that's it. Your bid has been cancelled. You can't retract a bid within the last 12 hours unless there's a valid reason. And to avoid mistakes, always double check amounts before placing a bid. And if you win an item by mistake, contact the seller immediately. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you remove an eBay bid. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.